Okay. Reference number 1134. Good day to you. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Tichay Antimano, and I'm 34 years old. I'm happily married and I have 3 kids. My eldest is 14 years old, and my second, 12, and my youngest is 8.
Okay. If ever we have you as domestic helper in Hong Kong, who will take care of your 3 children, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My niece and my husband.
How old is your niece?
18 years old, ma'am.
Okay. So where is your husband?
Here, ma'am, in the Philippines.
What is the work of your
I'm
husband?
laboratory technician.
Okay, does he support you for applying as domestic
Yes, ma'am.
helper abroad? Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
No problem arises if ever?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, do you have an experience as domestic helper abroad?
Actually, ma'am, I have not a domestic helper. I'm management trainee in Captain Kitchen.
In what country?
Singapore. I work as a waitress.
For how many years?
6 months only.
Oh, so why 6 months only?
Because my contract is only 6 months.
Ah, okay. So you work in restaurant.
Yes, ma'am.
So you know how to cook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What kind of dishes?
Chinese, Filipino, or anything.
Okay. How about in Philippines? Do you have local experience as housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
For how many years?
2 years above.
Okay, so can you please tell us the background of your employer local?
She's very kind, sweet, and very genuine.
Okay, so what is your main duties there?
Cooking and...
Did you take care of children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old?
1 year old.
Okay, how about newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to take care of the
You know, even the elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Which among the 3 family do you want to belong? Family with elderly, newly born, or a children?
I think I can do all.
Okay, very good. Are you afraid of the dog?
No, ma'am.
How about the cat?
No, ma'am.
What is your religion?
I'm Roman Catholic.
And how about your educational attainment? What did you finish?
I'm undergrad in college, BS Computer Engineering.
Okay. So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to
You want to earn money?
yes, I want to earn money
And what else?
to,
That all?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so, are you willing to finish your contract for 2 years?
Yes, ma'am.
And extend if necessary?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agreed that the holiday must set by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so, how does your employer know that you're a good domestic helper?
I will not do bad anything to them, and I obey.
Okay, in your employer, before what time do you usually sleep at night?
9.
Okay, if ever we hired you as domestic helper in Hong Kong, usually working employer came home late at night. So you have to wait for them. Are you willing to
Yes.
sleep late at night and
I'm
sleep
very
early?
willing, yes.
Are you willing to take job order if even there is no holiday and the employer will only pay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about if holiday and no pay? It's okay also?
It's okay, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any short message for your future madam and sir?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I'm hardworking and responsibility, and I do my best, and that's all.
Okay. Thank you very much and see you in Hong Kong.
Thank you very much, ma'am.